Hey guys, Varun Marathi here, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M20. Now this phone was launched in India on February 5th at Amazon.com and Samsung.com. This is the online exclusive device and it has two models, 3GB RAM and 32GB internals at 10,919 Indian rupees and 4GB RAM and 64GB internals at 12,990 rupees. So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. So as soon as we get in the box, we are greeted with the user manual box which is there on the top, and as we remove it we have the device right there, and as you can see the device is in the blue color over here. Let's keeping it on the side. We have the power brick first, which is a fast charging power brick of 15 volts. We are happy that Samsung has provided the USB Type-C cable this time around, so it will translate into fast data transfer speed and charging speed as well. And apart from that, we don't have anything in the box. The only thing it's there in the bottom is the SIM ejector tool. So that is all that we get in the box of Samsung Galaxy M20. Now keeping everything at the side and focusing on the device, we will start with removing the plastic from the device. So let's hear it. Okay, so here we have the device. On the back we have a plastic body with dual camera and fingerprint scanner. On the bottom we have a speaker grill, USB Type-C and headphone jack. On right we have power button and volume rockers. Now let's start with the initial setup process. So by the time the device is booting up, I'll give you the configuration overview of the device. Samsung Galaxy M20 is powered by 1.8 GHz Exynos 7904 octa-core processor. It is 3 or 4GB RAM depending on the variant you buy. On the front we have a 6.3-inch Full HD TFT LCD display, which is also called as Samsung V Notch display. The phone comes with 32GB or 64GB of internal storage. It has dual nano SIM card slot plus a dedicated micro SD card slot. The phone houses a dual camera setup with 13 megapixel primary camera of f1.9 aperture and 5 megapixel wide angle camera. The front camera is of 8 megapixel, which is comfortable in the notch on the front, and the phone also has 5000 mAh battery which is supporting fast charging, and the power brick is right there in the box. The phone also has fingerprint scanner on the back and it is running on Android Oreo. So right off the back, as you can see, the display is having very thin bezels all around, and we have the water drop notch, or Samsung calls it the V notch, on the top, and there is very thin chin which is there at the bottom as well. All in all, the phone does look very good in hand, and also it weighs around 188 grams, so it is not that heavy as it should be, considering it is having a 5000 mAh battery. So I think the decision of Samsung to go with the polycarbonate plastic back is actually good, because it is not adding to the weight of the device. Also on the front we have a dragon tail glass, so this is not a Gorilla Glass that we have on the front, so I'll recommend you to actually use a tempered glass. So let's just begin with setting up the device over here. So I'll put a pin. Okay, so as you can see, the fingerprint is there on the back and it requires me to swipe down once. So as I do it, the phone registers the fingerprint very quickly, as you can see, and in 2 or 3 swipes the fingerprint is completely registered. The fingerprint scanner is located at a little bit on the upper side for my liking, but I think it is really quick. So moving ahead with the setup of the device. Alright, next I'll skip this, I'll add these accounts later on. Okay, I'll just skip it all. Samsung has a lot of setup procedure over here. Okay, so as you can see, the display has lit, and this is a beautiful 6.3 inch TFT display from Samsung, And as you can see, we have the optimized Android Oreo for this device. It is not similar to the Android Oreo on the other device. We have the icons also, which are very specific for Samsung Galaxy M20 over here. We have this beautiful wallpaper on the back, and as you can see, we have the navy blue color. It also comes in charcoal black color, so we have two color choices. And the camera application certainly looks pretty similar to all the other Samsung devices running on Android Oreo. The Android Pie update will be coming sometime in around April or May, but we'll have to see if Samsung keeps their promises. And right, I'll just show you the software version it is running, so you can see for yourself. It is Android 8.0, which is actually based on Samsung Experience 9.5. It is optimized for the Samsung M series, so this is a good thing as far as Samsung is concerned. So these were the first impressions of the device, guys. All in all, the device does look very good and promising. We'll have to see the performance of the new Exynos 7904 processor, so we'll have to wait and watch about it. The gaming performance and everything, it will take some time to actually come out. All in all, on the first impression, the device looks really good, and at the price point of 12,990, the device does check out lot many boxes in terms of specification and the power it houses. So definitely it's a very good competitor from Samsung, and I think that now companies like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo need to worry a little bit, since Samsung is shifting their focus on this category, and M20 is certainly a very good competitor and entrant from Samsung in this category. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Also follow me on my Instagram at Bachelor of Photography. There I post photos taken from my mobile, so this mobile photography page only, so do follow me over there. Links will be there in the description below, and if you want to buy this device, I'll also leave the link in the description below. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace.